All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So the folks over at Sopiguard sent me over some skins for the Z Fold 3, and I decided to try them on. So I actually got these skins when I first got the Z Fold 3 originally, but here they are. Now, they always send over, I guess unless I make a certain request, like, hey, I want this color. But normally I just tell them the color of my device and they'll send over something. So this obviously is that black camel looking, and then obviously the honeycomb. But they sent these skins contingent on my black Z Fold 3. But since they sent this skin, let's move these aside. This is different. This is one of their limited scans that they make, and it actually has a soft touch matte feel to it. Not really texture, but it's got a soft touch matte feel to it, and it's different. And obviously, with some of the printings on here, this isn't my thing. I'm not into the skull and bones and all that, but you know, there's some graffiti artists, you know, just different things thrown within here. And I thought it was pretty cool to try this on. I think this looks really good with the silver version of this device. And I put it on, and I've been using it on here for the last 24 hours on the device itself. I heated it up. Didn't use a case because when I put my tempered glass on here, the white stone dome, my case doesn't fit anymore. It lifts the glass. So that's a bummer. So I say, you know what, it's time to go ahead and apply one of these skins, and why not? Now I'll leave a link to Sopiguard.com to where you can grab these skins down below. But if I forget, Sopiguard.com for your Z Fold 3. So again, this is an eclectic skin. There's a lot going on here, but you know, I've seen this skin before, but you know, again, I just really put this one on because of the color of my device, and I think it actually plays fairly well with it. So again, they do have a ton of skins. They have a number of skins, very easy to install, and the materials on here are really good, and I think it's gonna be nice to have some protection on the back of your device if you decide to not wear a case. So I'll leave that up to you to decide, but this is in fact a very eclectic skin, I might add, and it's really nice. It actually feels really good on here. No peeling or anything like that. You just want to make sure you heat it up because these corners along here, let me zoom a little bit. These corners right here, they might lift up if you don't heat the skin up. So you just make sure you heat the skin up, and you'll be able to get all the way around your device. And this is a real close-up of the skin for you right here. You can see kind of some of the things that's printed in here, and some of you, I guess the younger generation might be involved with this or like this, but again, this is, or a person who likes rock and roll, actually like classic rock, but I don't think I would personally rock this skin out full throttle, or I guess it wouldn't have been my first choice, I should say. But nonetheless, it is a nice looking color combination for this silver version. Don't know how this would have looked with black, but I tell you, I really like this skin for the way it feels on here, and I have not been rocking a case with it again since I have my Z Fold, my white stone dome glass on here. So there it is, folks. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sopiguard.com is where you can grab these skins, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.